kids, so today we will be playing with the wooden train set. Yay! So this is a 60-piece wooden set with all the tracks and the train. And let's see, this is from first learning. Okay, let's open it.
Let's open it.
Yay! Wow! Okay, so these are the wooden tracks. So it's like a puzzle and we need to join these like this. And let's see, let's make the track. Shreya, this is the bridge.
Yeah.
And we have to join the bridge. These are the pillars. Pillars are needed to support the bridge. Okay, we'll put the pillar here.
Okay.
Good job. We will need one more pillar here, okay? Okay,
It's a seam.
Okay, so to balance this track, we will need a pillar. So let's put a pillar here, okay? Very good. Okay, put one pillar here. Okay, good job. Let's put the track here. Good. So this is the track and these are the balancing pillars. Now let's complete the track. Come on. Good job. We will put some more tracks here. Okay. Come here. Okay. Good job.
उल्टा नहीं उल्टा नहीं ऐसे
Very good.
now now now
So the beauty of this game is that every time you play with this toy, you make a new track. So this is not monotonous for the kids. Shreya is making a long track for the train. Very good. Good job. Okay, let's complete the circle. Wow, it's a long track, Shreya.
इधर को
We can join like this. Okay. The tracks of this toy are of good quality, but it is a bit difficult to join the wooden pieces, especially for the little ones. However, it also tests their patience, and with practice, they will enjoy playing with it. We have completed the track. Yay! Okay, now this is the train. Okay, let's put some logs of wood in the train. These are the logs of wood. Okay, so this is the goods train and you need to put the logs of wood. Let's put the logs of wood. Okay, now you can put some containers in this. Okay, and this is the engine. Okay, it's here. Now, this is the post office. Okay, so this is the town and there is a track around the town. And this is the post office. You post the letters here, okay? So this is the post office here. And what else we have? Okay, what is this? What is this? This is some building. What is this?
House.
This is house? Okay. Okay, you can place the house here. Yeah. House is here and there are some trees near the house. Okay. This is the trees. This is the tunnel. You can put the tunnel there. Okay, so here is the tunnel for the train. These are some of the trees. Trees? Okay, put the trees in the city. Inside the city. Put this. Yay, this is the tunnel. Good job. Now, what is this?
That's a table.
Traffic signal. Traffic light has 3 signals. Red, yellow and green. What does red mean?
Stop.
Red means stop. What does yellow mean?
Wait.
Wait. Wait until the light turns green. And what does green mean?
Go.
Go! Yay! So this is the signal for the train. We'll put it here, okay? Okay, yay, this is a girl. This is Shreya. Okay, there are some people in the city. Okay. And now what is this? This is a railroad crossing signal. Okay. So this indicates that there will be a rail crossing nearby. Okay. So let's put it here near the tunnel. And this is the stop sign for the train to stop. Okay, let's put it here. Okay. Now we will move the train. Okay, let's move the train. Yay, good job.
Oh. Go.
Oh, it's going in the tunnel. Yay! Okay, the stop sign is here. So when the train will come here, you have to stop here. It's a stop sign, so you have to stop the train. Okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Go round and round. Wheels on the train go round and round. All through the town, round and round. The wheels on the train go round and round. All through the town. Wheels on the train go round and round. All through the town. The baby on the train says, wah, 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 wah.